Theta value sort of equivalent to $1.0840 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 1.0770-1.1320, which truly is very huge. The earlier day close, 1.0940. The change fundamentally was 0.0100, 0.91%. Opposite rate, USD to Theta in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Theta cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost $1.15, by and large most extreme 1.23, least 1.07 in an especially enormous way. Theta gauge on Friday, April 7, cost $1.15, in every practical sense, greatest 1.23, truly least 1.07. Theta cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost $1.11, most extreme 1.19, by and large least 1.03 in an unpretentious manner. Theta estimate on Tuesday, April 11, cost $1.15, sort of most extreme 1.23, by and large least 1.07, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost $1.17, in every practical sense, greatest 1.25, truly least 1.09 in an exceptionally enormous way. Theta gauge on Thursday, April 13, cost $1.14, fundamentally most extreme 1.22, really least 1.06, which essentially is very huge. Theta cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost $1.22, truly greatest 1.31, least 1.13. Theta gauge on Monday, April 17, cost $1.23, most extreme 1.32, genuinely least 1.14, showing that the change explicitly was 0.0100, 0.91%. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost $1.17, genuinely most extreme 1.25, certainly least 1.09, or so they especially thought. In about 14 days Theta figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost $1.19, especially greatest 1.27, most certainly least 1.11, essentially further appearance how sort of converse rate, USD to Theta in a sort of enormous manner. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost $1.18, by and large most extreme 1.26, least 1.10, or so they especially thought. Theta gauge on Friday, April 21, cost $1.14, in every practical sense, greatest 1.22, most certainly least 1.06. Theta cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $1.20, truly most extreme 1.28, sort of least 1.12, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Theta gauge on Tuesday, April 25, cost $1.14, kind of greatest 1.22, kind of least 1.06, which sort of is very huge. In 3 weeks Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost $1.18, for the most part greatest 1.26, kind of least 1.10 in a huge way. Theta conjecture on Thursday, April 27, cost $1.12, truly greatest 1.20, especially least 1.04 in an unobtrusive way. Theta cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $1.15, kind of most extreme 1.23, least 1.07 in a fundamentally enormous way. Theta conjecture on Monday, May 1, cost $1.10, kind of most extreme 1.18, sort of least 1.02, or so they basically thought. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $1.17, by and large greatest 1.25, in every practical sense, least 1.09. So Theta cost forecast on Friday, April 14, cost $1.22, really most extreme 1.31, beautiful least 1.13 in a very enormous way. In about a month Theta conjecture on Wednesday, May 3, cost $1.18, genuinely most extreme 1.26, genuinely least 1.10 in an especially large way. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $1.12, in every way that really matters, greatest 1.20, beautiful least 1.04, showing how Theta gauge on Monday, May 1, cost $1.10, exceptionally most extreme 1.18, sort of least 1.02, which fundamentally is very critical. Theta figure on Friday, May 5, cost $1.17, extremely greatest 1.25, most certainly least 1.09, exhibiting how Theta gauge on Tuesday, April 11, cost $1.15, greatest 1.23, by and large least 1.07, which explicitly is very critical. USD to Theta swapping scale in every practical sense, equivalent to 0.9225 coins per $1, showing how Theta figure on Monday, April 17, cost $1.23. In every way that really matters, greatest 1.32, least 1.14, exhibiting that the change generally was 0.0100, 0.91% in a sort of significant way. Today, S reach 0.8834 minus 0.9285, or so they generally thought. The past day, S nearby 0.9141, showing how genuinely reverse rate USD to Theta in an every practical sense significant way. Change for now plus 0.0084, plus 0.92%, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to Theta cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Theta estimate on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.870 coins, genuinely greatest 0.935, least 0.813, showing how Theta conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost $1.14, truly most extreme 1.22, especially least 1.06, or so they generally thought. USD to Theta expectation on Friday, April 7, cost 0.870 coins, most certainly greatest 0.935, by and large least 0.813 in a really significant manner. Dollar to Theta figure on Monday, April 10, cost 0.901 coins, by and large most extreme 0.971, essentially least 0.840 in an every way that really matters, huge way. USD to Theta expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.870 coins, really greatest 0.935, lovely least 0.813 in a by and large enormous manner. In multi-week dollar to Theta estimate on Wednesday, April 12, cost 0.855 coins, essentially most extreme 0.917, in every practical sense, least 0.800. Exceptionally further appearance how Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Theta cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost $1.15, greatest 1.23, truly least 1.07 in a kind of significant manner. USD to Theta expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost 0.877 coins, lovely most extreme 0.943, least 0.820 in a quite enormous way. Dollar to Theta estimate on Friday, April 14, cost 0.820 coins, really greatest 0.885, certainly least 0.763, in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to Theta forecast on Monday, April 17, cost 0.813 coins, sort of most extreme 0.877, fundamentally least 0.758, or so they really thought. Dollar to Theta estimate on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.855 coins, especially most extreme 0.917, certainly least 0.800, which explicitly